taking you so long, T-Dub?
Chill, Thunderstrike. Have you ever cracked the world's largest safe?
Nope. Only thing I cracked is the speed of light in a bad guy's head.
Will you both shut up? Hey, you hear that? We gotta hurry up, man.
Rose,
Yo, who is this cat? I think you're at the wrong party, man.
I'm not here for the party. I'm here because you destroyed my father's legacy all those years ago. Family is important.
You know what? I'm here to get the diamond for myself, to grow my power stronger. Ha 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 ha.
We have a problem. The Supes are in the safe room. They are with the Ted Wiz. He's been aspiring this whole time.
Oh, explosions. Music to my ears.
The
diamond.
Diamond? Wait, am I surrounded by villains?
You all just got regulated. No, I don't like that. Regulators! Stand up! Nope, to one of those. I reckon my cat's regulator. Do we have the diamond?
Bruh, try just regulating the bad guys next time.
Whoa, ha ha ha. Got it.
Ha ha. Too slow. I will take that.
Let's toss up some fireworks.
Oh! Whoa. I can fly? I can fly.
Oh, great. Now he can fly too?